Okay, Nilton here from Multi, and I'd like to show you our platform and at the same time a good case that we have with Adidas. And so this is their hackathon, right? It's called Triple Challenge because it involved three cities, two from Brazil and one from Argentina, Buenos Aires, Fortaleza, and São Paulo. And so here we have some room for them to describe the competencies involved, the content involved, and all the participants can be evaluated, okay, on these items that were specified here by whoever is throwing the hackathon. All right. So here you have the participants. We have 41 in this case. So they're all here. You can chat with them, and you can also add them as friends, and you can also evaluate them here. Okay. Um, so this one is a place for messages. So there's a message to other participants. They all get the message. Here we have debates, which is a forum, okay, for the participants, and let's go directly to the activities because this is where the pitches are. So the hackathon was about developing a pitch for an innovative project they developed, okay, to solve a problem of the community, okay, like a local problem. So we have local problems from all the cities involved. So it's pretty neat to see the ideas that came up. So here we have all the projects, okay? So this is the project that was most voted, top left, and this is the second place right here. We have two in the second place, and this one got third place, and so on. So it's very visual, as you can see. Okay, and you can take a look at the project, at the projects, right? But just by clicking on their names or on the image. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. So this is the team, okay, that uploaded the project, that created the project. And here you have a video. So they made a video just to as a pitch, right? So here it is. So you can see them in action and really have an idea of their competencies or of their performance, of how much they participated, how they are live, right, personally. And anyways, depending on the purpose of the hackathon, you can direct it to specific competencies if you want. It depends on the demands of the company, right? So here you get to see the other members talking too. Okay, and up here you have the stars, so you can vote. So let's say you think it's from 5 stars, you think it deserves 4, so you just click on it, and then the system will register these points, and these points are available on the person's portfolio too. Okay, so this is it, and here you also have access to the team's portfolio. If you click on this guy, you can see his portfolio, and the same with the other people. And the projects that are posted here, they automatically go to everybody from the team, okay, everybody's portfolio. Okay, so let me go back. And the idea behind making it so visual is that we think the traditional resume, right, where people just write about their experience or the jobs they've had, we think it's totally out of date. Nowadays we have technology that allows us to just to show people in action, and that's what we intended to do here. So you have the projects um, from most voted to least voted. Okay, in this case, it was a collective voting that happened. All the participants, they all voted on each other's projects, all right? But then you can have specific people to vote. You know, it's not always that everybody can vote on everybody's projects. You can set this up when you create the hackathon. Okay. Okay, you can search for anybody here using this search box. Basically, you get to see the guy's portfolio, right? So these are all his projects, the projects he's done. So this is a presentation for a community of innovation in education that he developed, this project. This is a course that he taught, and basically clicking on each project you get to see it with more details inside. So there's a slide share here showing the project that he developed. So you can see the slide share and what it's about, right? And you can also leave a, currently is a like, but I think we're going to experiment with the stars for evaluation. So basically you can see a pretty live resume of this guy here. So some videos and some slide shares, also some photos showing my works, my projects, right? This is the place where I can upload a project, okay? I just click on this button, and then I can type the title, a description, the type of file, right? PDF, it's a Word document, or a slide share, external link, video. So that's how I can upload a project, right? Okay, so going back to my portfolio, whoops. I want to show you something else. Okay, here. So there's an overview of the points that I've accumulated in the platform. And if you click on the graphic, you can see the specifications, you know, how many solutions I've sent, and how many debates I've participated in, and a bunch of other things. So, and we also made available a leaderboard just to try to get people competitive, and we try to gamify the platform, and the results have been great so far. You know, it becomes a healthy competition. You can tell that people sometimes want to participate more because they want to move up in the ranking, right, on the leaderboard. So this is our current leaderboard. Just a few details we thought about to promote engagement, right, participation. These are the friends I have, people I follow, right, and currently I can follow companies too. You can also see pages of profiles of universities and companies. So I'll give you an example here. So for example, let's take a look at this company here. This pretty cool startup called Multi. And you can see this is the profile that I'm using here, so that's why I have the configurations. But anyways, you can see the challenges, the hackathons that Multi is offering, okay, desafios. You can also see some jobs they're offering. You can also see some courses they're offering, so our platform is able to do that too. Okay, companies can use it for internal or external courses, and they can also um, let people know about the jobs they're offering internally and externally. Okay, and all the members here are the people who work there. Okay, if you click here, you get to see them. We're still testing, so this is not being used at the moment, but it's just been implemented. Okay, so people are going to be able to see uh, company profiles with the hackathons they're offering and other things too, jobs and courses. And you can also get to see university pages. It's not really Harvard, okay, but one day it'll be. So these are the challenges that Harvard is offering. Okay, there's none here yet because this has just been implemented, and also jobs and courses. But when a company launches a hackathon, this company can direct the hackathon to specific universities. If they're looking for professionals, for example, uh, that come from Harvard, that come from Stanford, MIT, uh, they can do that when they launch the hackathon, when they create the hackathon. Okay, so that's pretty much the main features that I wanted to show you. Um, any questions you have, I'm available, all right? Just send me an email or call me. So thank you very much, and this was some features of Multi. Uh, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.